Hey, thank you for signing up for a live course. I'm going to walk you through a few items to help you prepare for what's coming. So at least this will be something that if you do get to a place where you can't progress, say from the webinar to the learning assessment or from something else to the certificate, that you can check out this video, see if there's anything that you need to tweak. And then of course you're always welcome to reach out to me and I'm happy to help you as I can. So first of all, this will take you to the primary page. Let's go through an example of, with this course coming up, respiratory muscle strength training. And as you know, you can also get here from swallowthegap.com, live webinars, boom. Okay, that'll get you to the same place. So I am going to continue. This will make you sign in and all of that stuff. But as you'll notice, this should come up as default. You'll have something to the left side that shows the progression of the course. So first is a live webinar link. That'll be the first thing that comes up if you haven't gone through the course already. And a lot of times this is going to be very important to do this first because it may not let you go through the progression to the course exam unless you've actually clicked on the link through here. There's a conditional system that's set up where you have to do item 1, then item 2, then item 3. And that is mostly for ASHA CEU stuff to make sure people don't progress through the course and get a course certificate without addressing some of the items beforehand. So sometimes you will also see slides down here, but I'm going to show you that up here in the right hand side of the screen, you should be able to find the slides as well. And so that is embedded within the link for the webinar. And then this is just an extra place in case you don't see them in the first. Okay, so now let's say you've clicked on this, you've gone to Zoom. Hopefully you didn't have to do any updates or anything like that, but it's always good to check in advance. You're not held up the day of the course. And if you want also, you could move this out of the way. So then you can hit either next or you can continue down through here. And so just because it's a little more intuitive, I'm going to hit next. Okay, and so that brings you to the slides. All right, start. Let's say I take this. So let's say I took this. The passing criteria will depend on whatever webinar you're in. And also, so that's not a surprise, you should see that on the primary promotional page. So for this, if you go here, so in order to get a certificate in ASHA CEUs if desired, so obtain 100% and then complete the learner survey in addition to attending the webinar. Okay, so back to here. No need to retake it. So now I'm going to go to next, or let's say this time, let's go to this access a survey from here. So this is a survey. I already filled out the responses. There are likely, if you're looking for ASHA CE credit, there are a few places that are mandatory, such as your ASHA number, your physical address, your first and last name, and anything else that's marked on there. The other items are optional, but I'll try to specify on whatever course you're taking which things are mandatory for ASHA CEU credit. Okay, let's go on to next. Download your certificate. So I already filled this in, but it will give you a place to put in your name. Wonder if we can get a new one. You just put in your first name and your last name, input your response, and then it'll let you download your certificate. From there, just go to wherever your browser puts your files. If you have any problems accessing it, let me know, and I can always manually send you one. But this is an automatic way for you to get it quickly, so you can put it on LinkedIn or keep it for your own records and do whatever you need. So download certificate. Here we are. Let's put it right here just so I can look at it. Boom. April 5th. Tess Stockdale has done this course. Here we go. This information. And there you have it. So if you think of any other questions, you have any problems, don't hesitate to reach out. Now you can see that you've gone through the progression of clicking on the Zoom link, the slides in an extra place, the course exam, and remember these open and close, the course survey, and then the course certificate. All right. Look forward to seeing you. Please reach out to Tim at swallowthegap.com if you have any questions. That's Tim at swallowthegap.com and look forward to seeing you. Thanks.